Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be taking you through the process that I use to make an angel head. I use a variety of different things to make the heads of the angels. A lot of the time I use cabochons, and I have also used carved cabochons, but today what I'm going to be focusing on is the enamel face. Now, as you noticed with the choosing stones video, it's sometimes a little bit difficult for me to find a stone that will match the cabochon that I'm using for the body of the angel. So enamel gives me the ability to create something that matches better. Now, the first angel I did this with was Angel Song, and in that instance I used graphite on the enamel. This time around I am using P3 underglaze. Let's see if that comes into focus. There we go. Maybe. There we go. Okay, P3 underglaze and 913E overglaze. So I have never used either one of these glazes before, so this is a bit of an experiment and we'll see how it turns out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the face out of a little copper dome like this, so it sits on top here. But I want to try and pick up the blue tinge that I see here. So I'm thinking that, you know, some sort of a bluish enamel. I decided that I wanted to layer transparent enamels on top of an opaque base. So I wanted to match the transparents that I had picked out with a very similar tone of opaque. And I wanted to also use that opaque base as the counter enamel on the back of the disc. So these are the sizes that I'm interested in making today. These are the ones that I've been using so far, but I have some smaller stones and I want to make some smaller faces. What would you like? Hey? What? Oh, is your bowl empty? Do I need to come and feed you? Hey, do you want some kibble? Hey? Yeah, okay. Let's go. And there she goes.